Hello students, after a successful elective course for foot and ankle, we are bringing to you now a trauma in foot and ankle. In this, we will go through almost all the fractures around the foot and ankle, starting from the forefoot, the Lisfranc injuries, the base of fifth metatarsal fractures. We'll go the midfoot injuries and the complex hindfoot injury. Not only that, we will also discuss with you regarding when these fractures get into complications and the treatment of malunion of these fractures. We'll also discuss the important current topics like in ankle fractures. A lot of things are changing, especially for syndesmotic injury when it is involved with the posterior fragment. And we will discuss all that with you. We'll also discuss the bit of controversy nowadays happening with the soft tissue injuries, especially the tendo-Achilles rupture. And as I told you, we will discuss some important cases which can come into your exam as a malunion of this traumatic injury. So join us this Saturday and Sunday for this exciting trauma course for foot and ankle. Thank you very much.